Hello, 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 hello. RJ Game Hub here with a new topic, and today I will show you guys how to unlock this download button here on YouTube, or basically allows you to use YouTube without internet. So this video is all about that, and in this video you will learn just that, nothing else but that. Stay tuned. Remember to like, subscribe if you are new to this channel, click the bell, comment down in the comment section what you think about this. Let's dive into the video. So for this video you will need this thingy here, Turbo VPN. There, just head over there like that, and you want to connect to one of these server where that option is available. For instance, I would say New York. I'm just gonna connect to New York because that feature is not available in every country. For instance, maybe Jamaica, maybe Guyana, Grenada. You just not want to connect to a server from a country where it is available, for the VPN to basically, for instance, trick their server to say, well, this person is from trying to accessing this website or trying to access this feature from within the country, is not an outsider. So that is what the VPN basically do. So just head back here. I'm just gonna check to see if I have any open tabs. Okay, just leave that. Now I'm gonna head over to YouTube to show you guys what actually happened. I'm just jumping to YouTube, and as you can see, in my country this don't really pops up when I'm going into YouTube. It's all because that the VPN service that I'm using now basically is telling YouTube server that, well, this person is accessing YouTube within the US, so we need to display this to him. So that's why this is showing up right now. And if you all know that, for instance, that RJ Game Hub create a game, I can distribute it into the US, Canada, Jamaica, and not distributing my application, for instance, to people in like India and Luxembourg and those places. So I have whole lot of options, and I can also change the price to which country. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, so that's how it all works. That's why VPN is a pretty much wonderful service. I'm just gonna click trial, and I'm gonna create a video how to get an app if it's not in your country. And as you can see, look at all these things here. I think that's cool. Now I'm gonna just how to code and earn $60,000. I'm gonna watch that. Check that.
Hi, do you want to learn how to code? Then you have
Yes,
come
I
to the
want to
right
learn
place.
to code. Yep. Do that. Now I'm gonna just scroll down. Finish setting up your VPN service. Just head back to YouTube to the video which you want to download. I want to make it available to you offline without the internet. As you can see, now I'm currently connected to the internet, but I'm gonna download this video and make it more offline. So here you get the option to download the video, and you have the option to basically choose the quality. And as we all know, the higher the quality, the more speed that will take, and the lower the quality, the less MB. But you're a person who hates to see low quality video, I would recommend you to go with 360p and higher. So there it is. I'm just going to click OK. As you can see, it's downloading. Just give that a bit time. Download remains available for 29 days with an internet connection. Okay, just say that. And I'm going to also do another video where the 10 mastermind hackers click that there. I'm gonna click download. As you can see, it's downloading.
While hacking from his girlfriend's aunt's house.
Press on view that. Near my downloading videos. And here's a note. So from YouTube it says download remain available as long as your device has an internet connection every 29 days. So you basically, I think what this is saying is that you will have these videos up to 29 days, and once it gets an internet connection, I think it will refresh that and give you another 29 days if I'm not wrong. Comment down in the comment section what you think about this. But now you will have these videos to watch without Wi-Fi, mobile data, etc. where you get internet connection from. Google y'all offline. Yep, it is. And please note that these things here depends on the server that we are connected to. First, you know that I connected to my US based server, and I change it to India server. Why is that so? Is because that the feature, to get that feature you will have to pay for that feature, and as you can see, as I show you guys, it vary between your country. So in this country may be free, in that country maybe you have to pay, but down in India they are all blessed. All down in India you don't have to pay. And maybe servers like Singapore, you wouldn't have to pay for that, but maybe in US then you know you have to pay for that. So that's how we all do this. Thanks for watching, and now we're gonna do a bit of proof to what I'm doing is actually true, nothing fake. So first I need to disconnect your Wi-Fi. I'm gonna disconnect my Wi-Fi, disconnect that, head back to YouTube. No connection, as you can see there, the key. So I'm just gonna head over here and I'm gonna go to downloads, 2 videos as you can see, and I'm gonna click that. And as you can see guys, these videos are actually
Hackers. Will they hack your emails, phone camera, bank account?
Of course they will, if they have that intention. As you can see guys, I actually have these videos on my phone right now, and they will disappear in the next 29 days. That's what it said. As you can see, no connection down here. All these videos can next from can basically, I think I can don't think I can change the quality. No, I can't change the quality, but look at that,
50 million Facebook users' data.
here. I'm just navigating.
They had to shut down their computers for
there.
the fall
Anything. I'm gonna show you.
and had to go into.
Go to that.
Hi, do you want to learn how to code? Then you have come to the right place. My name
Exactly.
is who you ask and what you want to build. A lot of people
And as you can
are
see,
here
I
on my
have
channel.
no
My Python
internet
tutorial for
connection
beginners
here.
is a great introduction
So,
to Python.
What this is showing you guys, running late for work, but you have your YouTubers currently are gonna release a video like 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and you ain't gonna get the time to watch it before work. So you just run into your VPN, connect it to another India or Singapore server, and hit back up YouTube and download that to the best quality which suits you, etc. What that is, download it and head off to work. No problem at work. You know, sometimes the Wi-Fi can be a bit slow, which we don't like. You just watch it, no problem, quality suits you. So remember to comment in the comment section, click the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new, click the bell to get all my notifications. notification. Thank you.